How to check leaderboards in Candy Crush Saga. Feeling competitive? Let's find out where you stand among your friends and other crossers. On the home screen, check for trophy icon or ranking dash or weekly race pop-up. It's usually near the top or side or scrolling. This opens the leaderboard section, showing you progress compared to friends if connected to Facebook or King's account, global player in weekly race, teammates if you are in a team. Also check weekly race or episode race. There are two common leaderboard types. Track how many levels you have completed in past 7 days. Top player gets prize like booster and gold bars. Tap the icon to see your rank and what reward tier you are in. Episode race. Compare how fast you complete a block of level and episode. First to finish win gold bars. You will see your rank and progress bar live. Make sure you are logged into Facebook or King's account, connected to internet, and that's it. Now you can check the leaderboard in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. What's your highest leaderboard rank ever? Share it in the comment. Like this if it helped you. Subscribe for more candy powered tips. See you in the next one.